Hi.
Hey Jason, where's Buzz? He's not gonna say one word now. Yeah, I'll point to him. Let's go get him.
Go get Buzz. Where's Buzz? Show me. What do you have? Show me Buzz. Or you don't want to let go of Puppy?
You gonna show us Buzz?
Can you show Tyler Buzz? Can you show Tyler Buzz?
And that's what
Yes,
they do
it's Tyler
too.
in the camera. That's Tyler, yeah. I was getting you. How do your fingers taste?
Are you getting tired or something?
I know. Usually that's a sign of I want my nap. Hi, Tyler. Tyler, can you clap hands? Yay! Good boy.